Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome once again to this your channel. In this time we will be making our princess Mulan. With this tutorial I will show you all the materials that we need to make her. Also I guide you in the videos you must see before continuing with the second part. To make the base body, we already have the tutorial in this channel. In the description of this video you can find the links, only we will change the color of her skin and her underwear. For her skin I use 82 grams of sand colored yarn. All this yarn is brand Sinfonia. Also I use red colored yarn. The name specific is granate. For support her head, I use a silicone tube with 1 cm on diameter and never less than 12 cm long. 10 mm safety eyes. For these details on her eyes, I use white and brown colored yarn. And black colored yarn for her hair, also you can use in the details on her eyes. I use blush for her cheeks. You can use if you like it, only if you like it. So in the second part we will make the hair. And we will use 50 grams of black colored yarn. For the flowers I use 1 mm yarn, white, green and yellow. And in the third part we will make her dress. We will use lemon green yarn, navy blue, yellow yarn or mango color yarn, green, for shoes we already have the tutorial in this channel, and in the description of this video you can find the links. It's the same tutorial of our princess Jasmine. Also we need some closer for her dress. I use this material, but you can use whatever material that you prefer. Also you can put a button or sew it. Also for 1 mm yarn I use 2 mm hook for the flower, only for the flower. And I will use 2.5 mm hook for the rest of the yarn. Remember that this yarn is Sinfonia. Wool needle, scissors, pins, also silicone glue for the closer of her dress, and fine needle to sew the hair. Of course we need stuff. And this is all the materials that we need to make her. I hope you like her and you want to make it. And if it's like that, see you next time. Bye bye.